today's video we are going to be unboxing the August OK Beauty box. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So today's video, like I said, this is the August OK Beauty box and we're going to unbox it. So just opening the box up here, it just says this box has been lovingly created by our expert beauty team with you in mind. Inside you'll discover a minimum of 5 products worth at least £80, all tried, tested and loved by our beauty editors. Here we have the edit card. It has information on all the products in here, so that's great. We'll be looking at that throughout the video. We have some advertisements for the OK magazine, and there is a sneak peek. But let's get to digging through here to see exactly what we've got. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I kind of really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. If this box is something that you are interested in and you want to subscribe to monthly, it's £15 per month. There is a code on their website. I will link it down below. So if you want to click that, I'll take you to the website and you can buy it. I'll pop the code there as well and you'll get the box half price. But yeah, let's get in here properly. Quickly back to the edit card. It just says here that this August edit is called the Golden Hour. I did see somewhere as well, how much is the box worth? It's worth over £95. But yeah, the first product we're going to start off with is this. So this is by the brand Makeup Revolution, and this is the Mini Spice eyeshadow palette. It's the collaboration they did with Soph. It just says, from makeup influencers, Soph's collection with Revolution, this 8-piece palette is perfect for nailing a golden hour inspired look. There are 6 matte and 2 foil powders in sunset inspired shades. Keep it casual with caramels and browns, or amp up the glam with glitters and bold tones. It's lightweight and travel friendly. The soft velvety powders are easy to blend, highly pigmented and suits all skin tones. So this has a value of £8. Yeah, I love Makeup Revolution. They do some great affordable makeup and skincare and hair care as well. It's absolutely gorgeous. So we have a mirror here. Hello. Let's just cover that up. So they are the shades. So the neutrals and the glitters and that I will use. Those 2 colours, the red and yellow, probably not. But let's do some swatches. So I'm gonna, oh, that feels lush. I'm gonna do the 2 foily glittery ones. And I'll use the 2 colours that I wouldn't normally use. So let's go for the yellow and the red. They feel lush, by the way. Ooh, look at that. So yes, they are very pigmented. Them foily ones look absolutely freaking gorgeous. Yeah, the yellow and the red looks nice too. The red looks a bit patchy, but I think that's because of me, not the eyeshadow. But yeah, I actually really do like them. And I must say my favourite one is that one there. It's like a pinky champagne-y kind of colour. What's the shade? It doesn't have the shade name there, but it is, oh, it's number 1. But yeah, what a cute little palette. Second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Espa, and this is a fruit water cleansing gel. It's 30ml, which means it's a travel size, and it has a value of £10. And it just says, the perfect way to begin your routine. This refreshing gel cleanser leaves your skin looking clear and radiant. Packed full of fruit waters, cooling cucumber extract and gentle exfoliating enzymes. It's like giving your skin its 5 a day. Mix with a small amount of water to create a lather and massage over your face and neck, and then rinse away morning and night. Fabulous. That sounds really nice. And of course it's Espa, guys. Absolutely love Espa. I am leaving this sealed because I've got a few facial cleansers on the go at the moment. But yeah, so happy to get a face wash by Espa. The third item we've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand Doctor's Formula, and this is Power Active Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It's a full size product in 30 mils and it has an RRP of £35, and it says everybody needs a good hyaluronic acid serum. Yes, they do. In their skincare routine. This hydrating hero ingredient benefits all skin types, drawing in moisture and plumping up parched complexions. There's a little bit of citric acid in the serum too to brighten and smooth. Gently smoothing a few drops of the product over the skin. Softens the skin, plumps out fine lines, gives instant hit of hydration, brightens and smooths for a radiant glow. Yeah, it's great. One of my favourite skincare brands out there. They do different ranges in their skincare. I have a few of the Power Actives in my collection that I use off and on, which are amazing. I haven't had a hyaluronic acid before, so love hyaluronic acid, so super glad to get it by my favourite makeup brand. Let's get it out here and just look at the packaging. I'm going to leave it sealed, but ooh, nice. This is what it looks like. I cannot wait to try that out. Really cannot wait. Yeah, I love this brand. Third item we've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand Dr. Botanicals, and this is an aloe vera superfood eye serum. This is a full-size product at 15 mils and it has a value of £24.90. For hydration without heaviness. Make this lightweight eye serum part of your daily routine. This calming formula instantly sinks into the skin and helps refresh tired looking eyes. Great one for reducing redness and puffiness from hay fever. So yeah, tap gently around the eye area morning and night after cleansing. It can also be patted on over makeup to refresh patchy concealer. Oh, that's a nice little tip indeed, isn't it? So yeah, it looks like just the typical Dr. Botanicals packaging. But yeah, that sounds great. I love aloe vera as an ingredient. And yeah, great for definitely around the eye area. It sounds very soothing indeed. Fifth and final product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Beauty Kitchen, and it's Seahorse Plankton Really Radiant Moisturizer. This is travel size, it's 17 mils and it has an RRP of £12. Dive into the luxurious face cream, which combines organic shea butter and coconut oil with a blend of antioxidant rich microalgae. It moisturizes all day long, plus helps to defend against daily pollution. So yeah, dab and pat method to press into the skin, followed by an SPF in the morning. Oh, that sounds actually really nice. I have heard of Beauty Kitchen before, but I don't think I've got any products by them. I don't think I've tried any products by them, not that I remember in any way. So yeah, I love getting new brands for me in any way to try out. I think they've been around a little while, but they are new to me. I can't wait to try that out and see if I like it or not. And there was also a leaflet in the box as well about the Beauty Kitchen moisturiser too, where you can save money on it if you use that code. So if you want to use it, there it is. So this is the August OK Beauty box. This edit is called Golden Hour. What do you think? Personally, I think this is a lovely little box valued at just over £95. I love that we've got a makeup item in here. The eyeshadow palette is gorgeous. 8 shades in there. 2 of them are questionable for me, but the rest of the shades, oh, to die for. Absolutely to die for. We have an Espa product. Wow, love a nice facial cleanser. We have a Doctor's Cosmeceuticals or Doctor's Formula product in there with this product here, the hyaluronic acid serum. Can't wait to use that. As I say, my favourite skincare brand out there at the moment. We have Dr. Botanicals and aloe vera eye serum. Awesome. And then yeah, a little facial moisturizer. Yeah, I really like it. This box has got a little bit of everything in there, hasn't it? Yeah, let me know your thoughts. What do you think? But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.